Chicken Soup for the Soul Day is commemorated every year on November 12th. It is a day for exploring and unpacking deep-rooted emotional issues and searching for inspiration to lead more fulfilling lives. Nobody can solve all of their problems without any help or inspiration from their surroundings, and the purpose of Chicken Soup for the Soul Day is to take a fresh approach to thinking about problems. It helps to find creative solutions that can address underlying issues, which people are normally not willing to confront. It is also a day to celebrate the heroes who have emerged successful and happy from their personal battles. The National Chicken Soup for the Soul Day is celebrated to inspire people who are going through a difficult phase in life and help them heal their souls. Chicken Soup for the Soul Day is a brand that publishes inspirational books and movies, and has an active online community. The Chicken Soup for the Soul franchise started in the early 1990s when two life coaches, Jack Canfield and Mark Victor Hansen, planned to compile over 100 different motivational stories in the form of a book. The title for the book was not decided overnight. Jack and Mark decided to meditate every day until they come up with a name that they liked. What Jack came up with after hours of meditation was his grandma's chicken soup. Jack believed that the book could heal people from inside, just like his grandma's chicken soup could cure anything. In the early 1990s, the first edition of the book was released. One of the main reasons that made the book popular was the fact that it consists of inspirational life stories of ordinary people who overcame adversity. And it became a popular gift to give during the Christmas season. Within a year after its launch, the book started appearing in the lists as one of the top-selling books of the United States. To date, Jack and Mark have managed to publish over 200 different books under the same series, featuring motivational stories that were sent to them by their readers. In the late 2000s, Jack and Mark Victor decided to expand their brand and launch different pet food and TV shows. On This Day event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.